I'm going for coding.
Coding? I'm either going to be a game developer, a game tester, or a engineer.
Oh, I like all those.
Yeah.
And you're going to code for all of it?
Yeah.
That's cool. Why do you want to be a coder?
First off, I'm really good at coding.
You are?
I'm the best in my class, yeah.
What do you code right now?
Well, right now we're just using code.com.
Oh, nice.
Code.org or something.
What do you like about it, Phil?
We can make our own like little mini games. And
AJ, when you go inside and get water, will you fill my green Churchill bottle and bring it out to me?
Churchill hat?
Yeah. In our
My green
school, we
Churchill
have
bottle,
something called
water bottle.
Scratch. And my favorite part about Scratch is
What is Scratch?
Scratch is annoying. I hated it.
AJ, we're not talking about you.
No, it's Scratch. We're talking about Scratch.
It's a place where you can make games for other people. And I was getting on other people's games, and I went into one, and I just like started coding, and I gave myself infinite lives and stuff. It's pretty fun because I was the most powerful in my class.
So what are you guys going to make with all this coding you're doing?
So me and Asher already had an idea of like this island, sort of like based off Hawaii, and we would make this island. So there's two choices: you either choose be evil or good. So and then more decisions to make them.
Oh, so it's a game where it's an island.
Yeah.
It's like an RPG game.
So basically, if you chose to be like very helpful to a village, then you would be more on the good side than evil. And then there would be this lava monster that comes out of a volcano when it erupts.
Oh, nice.
So it just randomly comes sometimes.
Huh. Oh, Asher, you need to jump this.
Right.
It's cool. You're going to have a hard time jumping it. You better jump it regularly.
But right now, so if me and Asher want to do any of that, we need to save up for like a computer or PC or something.
Okay. So how are you going to save money?
I do jobs for old ladies in my RV park.
Okay. How much money do you have saved?
I usually get around $30 a day.
Wow, that's a lot. What do you do for them?
I just help them like with their dogs or gardening or something.
I just calculated $30 and you can buy vegetables with that.
What?
You buy a case of vegetables with that each day.
What?
Vegetables?
Vegetables? I don't know what that is.
Because each pack of vegetables is 10 and each vegetable is $3, which is a total of 30.
Bye.